The experience with AOS has been fantastic.
This is a different kind of company that cares about, customer service, communication.
Sometimes they're even telling us when there's an issue before we even know it.
My name is Joe Langton. I'm the owner and acting CEO of Automated Outdoor Solutions. By partnering with AOS, we can map your property, talk to you, allow you to communicate to us what your club needs, match you with the equipment that you need, put it in a simple subscription model. We will service the equipment, we'll purchase the equipment, we insure the equipment, and we make sure the equipment constantly runs.
What I like most about Automated Outdoor Solutions is the service that they provide. I actually had the experience of bringing them in 2022 at the club I was working at. There was one day I walked out to the driving range and I saw the guy driving the picker cart and the balls were flying everywhere, and I said, there's got to be a better way to this.
We've been partnered with AOS since October 1st, 2023. I just want total peace of mind, turnkey, no issues, no problems. If I do have an issue with a robot and it goes down and I can't deal with it, I get on the phone. AOS is here within hours.
It is the service side of it. It is anytime we need anything, anytime something happens or a mower or a picker goes down, Joe is on it.
So in the game of golf, you're going to have great superintendents that went to school for agronomy, but they didn't go to school for small circuitry and analysis. I don't believe that the industry needs to have an on-staff CTO monitoring their automation, because when AOS sets your automation up, we can dial it in to do what you want it to do, and it's to create a value add for your members.
So when I was at the club at Ibis in West Palm Beach, very busy driving range for the membership, about 90 hitting stations. I had 2 employees sitting on pickers for 8+ hours a day. So bringing the automated robots in to pick the range and to mow the range allowed me to free up some employees for better member engagement.
Our subscription model covers not only wear items, we deal with all the warranty on site. We can respond to problems within 48 hours. And if we can't fix it, we will actually just put a replacement piece on site.
Being South Florida, crazy weather, all sorts of stuff you're not used to seeing. We had a rainstorm and it was a lot of rain all at once. Ray immediately just goes, I got you, I'll be there. And this was in season. So I was worried about how many balls are being hit on the range and what's going on. But Ray immediately came out, dried it out, and then gave ETAs of when we're going to be back online, what's going to happen with that. And that kind of, won me over with AOS.
If you're a private facility, a public facility, a municipality, and you're looking to free up labor, this is the perfect answer for you when it comes to, practice facilities. And it's going to go well beyond that in the future. We already see that happening, and we're already looking into, what options there are on the golf courses.
Here at Shell Bay, it's a very high-end golf club, and we want to give the best to our members. And when the members come up and see the range for the first time, and then they see 2 robots going, and we tell them their names and explain what they're doing for us, it's just another piece of the story that's amazing here.
This is what AOS does for golf. We don't want to solve 10% of the problem or 20% of the problem. We want to take the entire equation and not leave any remainders.